What's going on YouTube? Carlos, aka USS2FAST, bring another video for you guys. So I'm out here with my boy, Chicago Skatpack. All right, so we're gonna try to do some 0 to 60s. In my car, we went ahead and lowered the tire pressure in the rear. So we got 29, 31, so we're trying to go with the same tire pressure. In the back end, lower it down. They were at 37. So just remember, running the NITTOS NT555Rs in the rear. It's a 305. Okay, not a 315, a 305 in the back. And then I got the NITTOS G2s in the front. So we're gonna go ahead and see how these pull. Do a 0 to 60 pull, and then go from there. All right, with the stock Pirellis, we're looking at, what number was it? 3, right? Performance. So the first time I did it, stock Pirellis, it was at a 5.1. That was the best time. So obviously, all the Pirellis didn't hold up to the power that this car has, so we're gonna go ahead and test out these NITTOS and go from there. Try the 0 to 60 real quick.
Yeah, we'll do this. So this is normal default mode.
Yep, nothing.
Traction control on. All right.
We'll go for it. All right, ready. 1, 2, and 3.
What'd you get?
It didn't even cut it down.
Go to 60.
Damn, this shit was hard to keep track of the camera and this at the same time.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that for you. Right here, so the tires should be good. We gotta get them a little hot though.
Yeah.
I might need to spin them a little bit before your next one, but. And that was full throttle right off the launch?
Yeah.
Damn, that wasn't bad for full throttle.
It took off.
Yeah.
Fishtailed.
You might need to roll into it just a tad. We'll see.
What's over here? I scared him.
Oh, okay.
That was awesome.
All right.
Never did that before.
Where do we do?
Over here.
Oh wow, we went way down.
But I think we'll probably start from this side and go that way this time.
Sure, yeah.
But maybe I didn't press the OK.
No, you're good. You had to hit. I don't think you hit 60. I think you let off at like 50. I saw.
Alright, no car behind me. Good to go. Sweet. Like, we got racers over here.
Yeah, we got racers. You're going that way again?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Actually, I'll stop right here. Get away from this house. Because I don't know.
Great Township.
Alright. So, 0.
Roll into it a little bit.
Stage. 3, 2.
There you go. Already beat it. Look how much you spun.
Jesus. Yeah.
Not bad.
Alright, let's try this again real quick. Fuck it. Reaction time. Nope. Don't do it yet.
Just, yeah.
Alright. So 0 to 60. Best is a 4.8. Alright. Hopefully the countdown. God damn, man. This shit.
Here they go. Let it roll. Let it roll. 4-1, dude. That's fucking sick. That is stock 392.
Stock.
That's fucking sick, man. And you spun like a motherfucker.
Dude, that fucking adrenaline rush.
Wow.
Is epic. It is.
Dude, hella fuck. These tires are sick. And that tune's got you moving too, because that shift is quick.
Yeah, there's no.
Don't go in that water.
There's not
Avoid
even
all this water.
any stuttering or anything like that. It just shifts like smooth.
Dude, you went from a 5.1 to a 4.1.
That's
a
fucking
second.
insane.
That's a second. Tires in a tune, man. All you need for a 392.
That's it. Oh man, so you definitely
They smell good.
you smell it for sure. Yep, you for sure smell it, and look how fucking grippy that is. Yeah, these are warm, and you definitely smell.
Video flyby?
So, yeah.
You ever heard your car?
Have not. Do you want to move your car to that parking lot over there so we can get the flyby from me starting that and going all the way down that road?
Yeah, go ahead. Meet you over there.
Let's get it. Oh wait, you need my key.
Huh?
I said, you need my key.
Yeah, hell yeah, I do. Chip it on me. I'll see you over there.
Holy fuck. Alright. Look. You're the first person to ever drive my fucking car.
I feel honored.
There you go. Alright, let him try it. He's gonna go ahead and try it out. Never seen my car like that ever.
Look up, bro.
One and only. I'm in Steve's car, the Chicago Skatpacks, and oh my god, such an honor to be up in this motherfucker.
I'm too bad, man. If I pull.
Hey, if you beat my time, it don't matter.
Turn around up there.
All right. Alright, so he's gonna do a flyby. We're gonna go ahead and see what the straight pipe sounds like. So he's gonna start all the way over there, and we're gonna go from there. There he goes. Holy shit. Oh my god. That shit was loud as hell. Yes. Jesus. You smell the tires. Oh, you definitely smell the tires. That's insane. How was that?
Scoots, man. I only did 1 0 to 60.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Did you beat it?
I hate to do it to you.
Oh shit. Let's see. No, I'm afraid to even look.
I need to get a couple.
Oh fuck.
You know I'd break that down.
Oh,
Pretty.
fucking 4.0.
That was like nothing.
Damn. How'd it feel though?
Good as shit.
Yeah?
Yeah. No drone, no nothing.
Yeah.
Those fuckers.
Grip?
Those are great.
Yeah. So right now, what mode are we in? We're in sport mode?
We gotta put it in sport mode. We will be. Go ahead, throw it in sport.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and throw it in sport mode.
Put that thing in
There
sport.
you go. So right now, or hold on. I think you had it when you were showing me. There it is.
Okay,
now it's in sport mode.
Now hold the traction control button off for 10 seconds.
Alright.
Wait. Wait. Done. Now you're in both.
So traction control is off. Now we're in sport mode. So now we're gonna try to do a 0 to 60, see if we could beat the
103, dude.
Steve's best time 4.0. We're gonna try to get in the 3 second area. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we are hunting a 3.9. I think he's going to do it on this one. I'm going to make my predictions. He might need to heat the tires up a little, but 3.9 on the street in a 392 is serious. It's moving. was. I heard a little spin. Not too bad though. So what do you guys think? Put it in the comments below. Was that a 3.9? I don't know. Hopefully it does one coming back. Moving. My boy was moving. Damn. One of those had to be a 3.9. Put it below right now. Don't cheat. What do you guys think? First person that gets it, the first run and the second run, dead on. I'll have my boy tell me. I'll give you guys a shout out on my page, Chicago Skatpack. Good shit. Hey man, come here. Come here, bro. Congrats, bro. That shit's sick.